Good morning guys! Review tayo ng hair dryer. Hair dryer. KMT style. So, perfect. 1800 watts. It's perfect to our hair, but the specialist recommended 1800 for your hair, for our hair. So it will range 1000 to 2000 watts, and it says 222 to 40 volt, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, so that HZ is hertz. HZ hertz. It means that the electrical frequency waves that it changes per seconds. So let's try. Let's have honest review. Then okay, this one is made in China. So let's try and give a clock. Okay, it's 12:50 in the afternoon. Well, let's do this, guys. Sorry, medyo maingay, okay? It's done. It's dry already, but this edge is not, and I don't like to dry it properly. So it's very easy to use. There is a 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So if you want a low, number 2. Medium level in it. So if you want to be cold here, you can press this button. I don't use any hair conditioner. I think it's been 3 years that I didn't use. And that's it, guys. See? Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is my honest review. It's very quick. I think it's only 3 minutes. Hola! So may pumasok yung alaga ko, andito siya. Oh no! And thank you for watching, guys. That is my honest review for this KMT style hair dryer. And thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and click the notification bell button to notify for my upcoming videos. Adios.